Childish, attention. Sing Saraswati Namasubhyam.
नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणि विद्यारम्भं गरिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा पद्मपत्रविशालाक्षि पद्मकेशरवन्दिनि विद्यां पालयां देवी सरस्वती भगवती भारती विशेषदाचापः ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः.
Childish, attention. Sing Vande Mataram.
मातरं वन्दे मातरं सुजलां सुफलां मलयज शीतलां सस्यश्यामलां मातरं वन्दे मातरं सुप्रजोष्ण पुलकितयामिनी पुल्लकुसुमित सुमधुरशोभिनी सुहासिनी सुमधुरभाषिणी सुखदां वरदां मातरं वन्दे मातरं वन्दे मातरं.
Childish, all of you please be seated.
A very nice good morning, children. Here we are non-language teachers proceeding with the assembly. So let me invite Bhargavi madam to proceed with meditation. Mind you, children, when you are doing meditation, remember meditation, yoga, pranayama, all these things are the activities which when done at least 2 minutes every day, you will be away from diseases, several diseases. So without even having those medicines and all those things, you can keep the diseases away. So do the meditation perfectly every day. Now let me invite Bhargavi madam.
Good morning, everyone. Please, all of you sit straightly. Be straight, backbone straight. Close your eyes. Keep chin mudra or yoga mudra. Remove your specs, everything. Inhale, hold, exhale. Inhale, hold, exhale. 3 to 5 more times. Open your eyes. Rub your palms. Apply the balm to your face. Slowly open your eyes. Have a nice day.
That's a good job, children. So do it every day with same sincerity, so you will be healthy. See, every organism requires some knowledge to lead the life happily. In the same way, we also. So we are learning something in the work, between the four walls of the classroom. Yet we have to know a few things which are happening all over the world. So that is nothing but news. So here is Ravali madam with news.
Good morning, everyone. All of you open page number 70. Petra, Jordan. Welcome to the lost city or the prehistoric Jordanian city, which is hold many clues and mysteries. Think Petra, and one often recalls the magnificent 147-foot tall facade carved into Jordan's mountainside. Located between the Red Sea and the Dead Sea, the Petra has been inhabited since prehistoric times and is one of the richest archaeological sites in our planet. Sitting amidst desert, canyons, and mountains, this rock-cut capital city was one of a famous trading center. It was the capital of the Nabatean Empire between 400 BC and AD 106. The site is set in a red sandstone landscape which was in ruins was only discovered in the early 1800s by a European traveler.
Thank you, madam. Mere living is not enough. So you must have some moral values. You must know how to live and let live. So every day having a thought is a very good thing which improves your moral values. So let me invite our Ramya madam for thought of the day.
Good morning, everyone. I am here to tell today's thought of the day, that is, the only way to achieve the impossible is to believe it is possible. I repeat, the only way to achieve the impossible is to believe it is possible. Thank you.
So let us rejoice with a song now. Of course, a responsible song which improves your some responsibility in your life. So let me invite Vanitha madam with a song.
Good morning, all of you. నిర్మల సురగంగాజల సుందర క్షేత్రం రంగుల హరివిల్లుల వెలసిల్లిన నిలయం. నిర్మల సురగంగాజల సంగమ క్షేత్రం రంగుల హరివిల్లుల వెలసిల్లిన నిలయం. భారతదేశం మన జన్మ ప్రదేశం, భారత కాండం ఒక అమృత భాండం. నిర్మల సురగంగాజల సంగమ క్షేత్రం రంగుల హరివిల్లుల వెలసిల్లిన నిలయం. ఉత్తరాన ఉన్నతమై హిమగిరి శిఖరం, దక్షిణాన నెలకొన్న హిందూ సముద్రం. ఉత్తరాన ఉన్నతమై హిమగిరి శిఖరం, దక్షిణాన నెలకొన్న హిందూ సముద్రం. తూర్పు దిశ పొంగి పొరలి బంగాళాఖాతం, తూర్పు దిశ పొంగి పొరలి బంగాళాఖాతం. పశ్చిమాన అరేబియా నందసాగరం, పశ్చిమాన అరేబియా నందసాగరం. భారతదేశం మన జన్మ ప్రదేశం, భారత కాండం ఒక అమృత భాండం. ఒకే జాతి మతములున్న ఒక్క ప్రదేశం, రత్నగర్భ పేరుగొన్న భారతదేశం. ఒకే జాతి మతములున్న ఒక్క ప్రదేశం, రత్నగర్భ పేరు పొన్న భారతదేశం. ధీర పుణ్య చరితలున్న ఆలయ శిఖరం, ధీర పుణ్య చరితలున్న ఆలయ శిఖరం. సత్య ధర్మ శాంతులున్న ప్రేమ కుటీరం, సత్య ధర్మ శాంతులున్న ప్రేమ కుటీరం. భారతదేశం మన జన్మ ప్రదేశం, భారత కాండం ఒక అమృత భాండం. కోకిలమ్మ పాడగలదు జాతీయ గీతం, కొండ కోన వాగు పలుకు సంస్కృతి గీతం. కోకిలమ్మ పాడగలదు జాతీయ గీతం, కొండ కోన వాగు పలుకు సాంతిక భూతం. గుండె గుండె కలుపుకుంటే సమర స్వభావం, గుండె గుండె కలుపుకుంటే సమర స్వభావం. చేయి చేయి కలిపితేనే ప్రగతుల తీరం, చేయి చేయి కలిపితేనే ప్రగతుల తీరం. భారతదేశం మన జన్మ ప్రదేశం, భారత కాండం ఒక అమృత భాండం. నిర్మల సురగంగాజల సంగమ క్షేత్రం రంగుల హరివిల్లుల వెలసిల్లిన నిలయం.
That was a nice rejoicing song from Vanitha madam. Thank you, madam. See, children, not only rejoicing, it tells about the greatness of India, the borders of India, the internal structures of India, greatness of India, and all those things. Yes, of course, it was really called Ratnagarbha. Ratnagarbha means having a lot of resources is one meaning, and having people like diamonds is yet another meaning. Both of them are true, so be happy that you are Indians. So now let me call all our team with a skit. Mind you, children, here it is a skit which will give you lot of knowledge about the food which you are eating. So observe it carefully, and then we can understand it much better. So here, children, we have two sets of people. One set is eating junk food and processed food, and you can observe on the other side a set of people eating natural food like fruits and all those things. Okay, so let us see what is happening to them in their life when they eat all those types of foods. They approached a doctor for some ailment or something, and they were talking with the doctor. They were expressing their problems and their lifestyle.
What is your problem?
You got stomach pain.
You are suffering from?
Stomach pain.
Okay. So what did you have as your breakfast?
Kurkure.
Okay, you had kurkure. What did you have?
It's Lay's packet.
Lay's packet. Okay. Yesterday night, what did you eat?
I ate burger, ma'am.
KFC. Okay, yesterday night you ate KFC. So now tell me your food habits regularly. What you are going to eat during breakfast, lunch, and dinner?
I don't want to eat any healthy item. I just want to eat junk like kurkure, Lays, all those things.
Pizzas, burgers.
So next team of people are coming. What is your diet?
Yes. My diet morning ragi java. And after, what is used to say that? Molakettan vittanalu. Yes. And after lunch, my lunch is rice with boiled vegetables. And after I will drink at 3 o'clock or at 4 o'clock a type juice, one juice. At night, I will eat tiffin. With the milk, after drinking milk, I will sleep. That is my diet.
నేనా మేడం నేనేం తింటానంటే మార్నింగ్ లేగంగానే పొద్దున్నే లేగంగానండి నేను వేడివేడిగా నీళ్లు కాసుకొని దానిలో కొంచెం జీలకర్ర కొంచెం అల్లం ఉంటుంది కదండి అల్లం తులసాకులు ఉంటాయి కదండి ఆ తులసాకులు వేసుకొని పొద్దున్నే పరగడుపుని తాగేస్తానండి నేను అంటే బ్రష్ చేస్తానులేండి తర్వాత తర్వాత ఇంకా పనులు చేసుకుంటాం మ్యామ్ తర్వాత మేడం గారు నేను ఇంకేం చేస్తాను ఇడ్లీ తింటాను మ్యామ్ ఇడ్లీయే తింటాను మేడం పునుగులు కానీ అట్లు కానీ అలా తినను మేడం నేను ఓన్లీ ఇడ్లీయే తింటాను ఎందుకంటే అది ఆలు మీద పెడతారు కదండి అందుకని నేను ఇడ్లీయే తింటాను మ్యామ్ తర్వాత మధ్యాహ్నం మ్యామ్ వేడి వేడి అన్నం తింటానండి దానిలో సాంబార్ కానీ పప్పు మ్యామ్ అది ప్రోటీన్స్ అంటారు కదా అందుకని పప్పు తింటాను కూరగాయలు అన్ని కూరగాయలు తింటాను మ్యామ్ కాకరకాయ కూడా తింటాను మ్యామ్ నేను సొరకాయ బీరకాయ దొండకాయ అన్నీ తింటాను మ్యామ్ నేను ఈవినింగ్ మేడం జీరా రైస్ జీరా వాటర్ తాగుతాను మ్యామ్ మ్యామ్ చికెన్ సండే అంటే మా హస్బెండ్కి బాగాలేదు కదా మ్యామ్ అందుకని చికెన్ బ్యాన్ చేసాం మ్యామ్ మేము ఇదే మ్యామ్ నేను ఫాలో అయ్యేది
So మీరు ఇలా డైట్ ఫాలో అవుతున్నారు కాబట్టి did you suffer with any of the problem like stomach ache like that? Did you have any problem?
లేదు మేము వాష్రూమ్ కూడా బాగానే వస్తాం
No, ma'am.
Okay. Did you find the difference? So these people are eating junk food, and what are the problem they are facing? And these people are eating healthy food, and how healthy they are. So sir will tell the importance of both junk food and healthy food.
Ma'am, this is not junk food. You said you are not supposed to bring any packet food, but my mother packed in the box. No, what's wrong in that?
This is how the children are going to tell the answers. When we ask you not to bring the packed food, you open the packet and keep in the box and get that box to us. Isn't it? So these are the boxes what we got from the children. So you are eating junk food, but still that is kept in the box. You feel that as healthy food. Okay. So what is the difference of having junk food and healthy food? You get the difference. So every day what type of food you are supposed to take? Healthy food.
So did you enjoy, children? But here there is a theme in it which is telling that we should be away from junk food, processed food, packed food, all these things. So most of your diet, see, we are not telling that you should not eat that kurkure or Lays or burger or like that. So you can, but let it be not more than 3 to 4% of your food. Able to understand? So 95% of your food must be natural food, which contains more vegetables and more fruits. If possible, try to go for organic so that no diseases will come near you. Is it clear, children? So try to practice it. Mind you, any food which is processed is harmful to health. So try natural foods and be healthy. All the best. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. Hope so we have given you some knowledge from our assembly. And one more serious thing to remember you all is, most of the school we can see they are talking in Telugu. Most of the children we can see they are speaking in Telugu. So class teachers, please be very keen about this. Note down their names, and we are not going to send for any of the Coco class from Monday onwards. From Monday, whoever is talking in Telugu, their Coco class will be cancelled. They will be sitting in the staff room and they will be writing one page of anything of their choice in English. They can choose any topic and they have to write it in English, and then they can leave for Coco class. Whatever might be, if on that particular day, if they have 3 Coco class, 3 times they are going to come to staff room and they are going to write 3 essays and then go back to the Coco class. Am I clear? So class teachers, please take this responsibility and note down the names very seriously regarding the children who are speaking in Telugu. Okay? So today is Veronica's birthday. So today is Veronica's birthday. Let's all wish her.
To you, happy birthday to you, happy birthday to you, Veronica. Happy birthday to you. May God bless you, dear. May God bless you, dear. May teachers bless you, dear. Happy birthday to you. 15 years.
15 years.
Thank you, everyone.
Everyone please stand up.
Standard is attention. A small announcement here. This month, November 26th, we are going to celebrate Constitutional Day. So for this, 6th to 9th class children, you have to prepare poster making. So you just prepare. So how to prepare, we will say, submit in the date of 25th November. Okay? 25th November. The topic is Constitution Day. Constitutional Day. Okay? Thank you.
Studies. Attention. National anthem begin.
మన అధినాయక
నాయక జయ హే భారత భాగ్య విధాత పంజాబ సింధు గుజరాట మరాఠ ద్రావిడ ఉత్కల వంగా వింధ్య హిమాచల యమునా గంగా ఉచ్చల జలధి తరంగా తవ శుభ నామే గాహే तव शुभाशिष माहे गाहे तब जय गादा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे.
Jai Hind. Assembly disperse.